Brand new at the time. 23. Rogue. Well, not true. Got 20,000 miles on it. We're taking that bumper off, though. So, I already started. These are under here. Boop! 6. Pull the centers up. Centers pop out. And you put them in your tray. Don't lose those. Let's see what we got going on. We got more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's pop them out with a tool such as whatever's in my pocket. Let's see what's in my pocket. Here's a surprise. There you go. I'm gonna pop these guys out. Continue on. Ooh. Step 1. Now, see what else we got going on. This looks like it pops outward. So let's see what we're doing, what we're up against, and let's start playing. You have no idea how much I love this tool. That's what I used it for. Pop this guy out. Pop this guy out. Same over here. And get ready to pull this guy off. That arm is coming off. So looks like you got 3 10 mils. Let's get these guys out. 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 And let's see what else is holding her in. I'm sure there's stuff on the bottom. But we put these guys, just leave them hang, put them in our tray. Let's continue on. That looks like a million of them. Let's see what we got to take off. Push pins, Torx. I don't know if these come together. One back here, over here. Let's see what we got to take off and get this puppy off. So after who knows how many clips, there's a hidden one back up under there. I don't know if you can see it, but right over there somewhere. Same over this side. Up under somewhere. You'll see it, because you gotta get it off. Now, you get the Torx out. Why does everything have to overlap these days? So, this flap, 1, 2, 3, and one over here, inside the wheel well. Does it look like it reveals the bottom part only? We want the whole bumper. So we gotta take this one out. These two, there's one over here. So this whole corner, you might as well take this whole corner out. That's what I did. Might as well. I left this one because it's gonna stay. Because that's separate from the bumper itself. So the bumper's here, the black, and this car is gray. So this is paint to match, or sort of. That piece. So we're gonna do that on the other side. That is what it looks like. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what is it, 7, really? 8, come on. See what I mean? I left this one to hang. We gotta get one more right there. And this puppy looks like it's about ready to pop. I almost thought I had her. So, we got 2 more clips right there. Guess I cut my finger. Get them out. So 1 to 10 of the suck meter, 8.5. Got 2 more on that side too. They're vents. Let's try to pull this guy off. All right, let's do this. So now for the extra 1.5, so 1 out of 10, getting really close to 10. So this grill part separates from the bumper. Hey, look, my sprinkler. You see, this top part clips into here. Clips into here. So this part separates from the actual bumper. Be careful and go in between here. There's clips, you see? It releases the tension. And there's another clip right here that actually holds the bumper in. So this bumper, you can leave sort of on the bottom part. See, it's still on. It's still on. But we need to get that clip off. That takes off the rest of the bumper. One last clip, and you're home free. So, let's see what this thing looks like. That's a thing of beauty. So, 5.5 minutes, which is really time, 20 minutes. There you have it. That's the bumper. So, I'm going to do the light next. Stick around. That's a big-ass bumper. Now I'll stick the light out. See what we're up against. A clip. All right. A bolt. Okay. Another bolt. Another bolt. And let's see if that's all we need to get this puppy off. Oh, another bolt right there. Let's see. Let's take them all out. 5 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 and 5. And this puppy will come out. I already unplugged her, so let's take her out. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. I took her out. So, if you want to take and that one, and these guys come apart. Let's do that just to see if it's right. Yep, I was right. So, only thing you can really replace are these bulbs. I'll put them in the description, but that part you didn't need to see. So if you're stuck around, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and you put it back.